For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to share with you guys this awesome mini display from Tlyard. A lot of the displays out there are too big that it's going to be blocking the air vent, but this one is small enough that it's not going to block the air vent, and that's what's important. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung here from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom yourself, hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So this new monitor, this new display from Tlyard, it's tiny, it's round, it's very minimal. So I've been messing around with so many displays with my Tesla. I'm having fun with it. I had a big one which had like the Apple CarPlay, super cool, it looks amazing. Then I had little ones and I had like the hidden ones. So there's many options, but this one I'm really excited because it's small, it looks different. I want to find the perfect display that'll match my new favorite accessory, the yoke steering wheel. Let's open this up, let's install this. If you guys do like what you're seeing, I do have the discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. All right, check this out. All right, so Tlyard is an amazing company. They're my very first Tesla company that I work with, so I love this company. I'm still with them. Their customer service is great. Oh wow, I love the way this looks. So as you can already see, the back of the display is the same kind of material that's on the back of Tesla Model 3 display, the big one. So already I like that. I love it when they try to keep it uniform to the Tesla.
To install this monitor or any Tesla monitor, they're all the same. You start out by taking off the side panels, both right and left, which will allow you to take out the middle console. It just snaps off. Then you take out this plastic piece, pulling out the little nut that's holding it in place, and pull back the plastic cover. Then simply all you'll do is install the blue plug and the white plug. Then you tuck everything back in. Just to test it out, let's go ahead and plug in the display to see if it will turn on both red and blue. And there it goes. It's working. It's good to go. So let's unplug it. I have the wires taped down to the middle console so it doesn't flap around. Find a center area of your driver's side and push the two plugs into the tiny holes. Put the wires through the metal bracket and screw it into place so it doesn't move around. Now put back your center dashboard, align the wires properly so it's not tangled, and you just snap down the center console.
So I finally got this installed. I've been driving it around for a little bit just to see how it feels, and I do like it. It is tiny, it doesn't block the air vent. You can feel the air coming out right from the sides, so that's a plus. I love how minimal it is. It's very thin. I love how the material in the back feels like the same material that's the back of the big monitor in your Tesla. So I love how when it's consistent like that, you will instantly see the limit of the miles per hour you can drive. It tells you your battery life, what gear you're in, then if you're regenerative braking. It's got all the information that you need. The color though is a little off-white. It's not pure white like the display. It's has a little yellow tint to it. I'm gonna put the discount code link from Tlyard below, so if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And by the way, Tesla's having a referral program. If you use my referral code to get your Tesla, you're gonna get 10,000 credits. It kind of fluctuates. You could get all kinds of Tesla stuff. It's almost like money. I will also get some of that credit as well too, so I appreciate you if you do use that link. Back to the display. Very minimal. It doesn't block the vent. It has all the information that you need right in front of your face. It's cute. Maybe it might be for you. You might look at it and be like, that's cool, I kind of like that. So you kind of have to really feel it and really get the display that really catches your attention, right? Discount code link below. Thank you so much if you buy from me. And please leave a comment. Just say what's up. It'll help out with my algorithm. I need all the help I can get. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.